I am doing another one of my arrangements. The reason why I use different season flowers is because with artificial you can do that, with real you can. So these may be from different seasons. This is zinnias. These are sunflowers. This is mums. And these are wildflowers. Now I don't know what seasons they're from. I don't know what season a wildflower is for sure, but we don't have this in our area. But it looks so pretty with the arrangement. And, of course, a vase. Now all I got to do is arrange it. Now I'm going to arrange it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the tall stuff, which is the wildflowers, in back. Since I want this on either side, I put that on that side. And you got two of these. And those are sunflowers. You put those in the center. And you put the mums right there. That's how it looks. That is what it looks like done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below about what you want to see on my channel. Thank you.